Hopefully no one got me. Oh, he got me this.
Another Lego? Yeah, show it to your followers. I got another Lego.
Oh, wow.
A Lego. Okay.
Nice. That's nice.
Next. Oh, you know another Lego?
Oh, wow. They know what you like.
Yeah, another one over here.
Wow.
Wow, it's an
Oh,
archer.
archer. That's nice.
How about that one?
Last one.
Another Lego?
Wow. You've got lots of
Another
Legos.
Lego?
Oh,
Oh,
somebody gave this.
I think that's Rion.
Oh, that's nice.
And you also got what?
The cards.
The cards.
You can open this card.
Yeah.
Who gave this one? Oh, nice.
Just open it.
What did Jay said? Jay wrote something.
What is he said? What he said?
I think Jay gave this.
Rion.
Dear,
No,
Dear
Rion, it's in my
Ethan.
card.
Rion Black. In
Dear
the-
Ethan, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you for inviting me to your party. Last year the party was fun. This year it will be more fun. Sincerely, Jay.
Okay, the other one.
That's so sweet.
Kuya.
What's the name?
Oh.
Isabella and I think Matthew.
Oh, wow.
The little kids. So what they gave you?
Dear Kuya Ethan, happy 9th birthday. Wishing you a day filled with fun and laughter, awesome surprises, and all your favorite things. May this year bring you exciting adventures, new friends, and lots of reasons to smile. Keep amazing and enjoy every minute, or be 9.
So what they give you?
From Yusuf,
Wow.
How much?
Oh.
these like $80.
It's
Wow.
80 or can you count it?
No, it's 80. So like 20, 40, 50, no, 20. Oh wait, actually, 20, 40, 60, 80, $100.
Okay, say what did you say?
You say thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, the other one. Who gave you that one? There's no name.
It says Ethan. It says Ethan, but they spelled my name kind of wrong.
It's okay.
Oh wow. Wow.
Gift card? What does it says?
Wishing a day of supercharged fun, a kid who's unstoppably cool. Happy birthday, Ethan from Spencer.
Oh, so cute.
Wait, but he spelled my name wrong.
I said
Okay.
Spencer. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a $25 Amazon card.
Wow. Give me the card.
Now time to open it. Zing, 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 zing,
Zing,
zing,
zing,
zing.
zing.
Ice cream, you ice cream, you scream.
Aw.
No, it's ice cream,
Mhm.
you ice cream. We all scream.
Wow.
It's supposed to be ice cream.
No, what's that it says?
It says because it's your birthday, hope it's one in a million. Happy birthday.
Aw.
Okay, the other one.
It's,
so
what is it?
cute.
Oh, I broke it. I used to try to make it. I guess. This is actually what it is.
Oh.
Happy birthday. I hope you, what? Wonderful. Oh. Wonderful. Wait, he's writing in cursive. I know how to. Oh yeah, wonderful birthday, Yusuf. In your what's this? $2,500.
Wow.
Master gift card.
Okay, so what you say now?
Hey, what? How about Kuya AJ? Kuya Lucas,
Uy,
show it to me.
baka na, hindi yan. Puta ka to.
Kuya Lucas, Kuya AJ. Both of them? They're nice.
Very nice.
This guy has a taco. This guy has pineapple. Next
All
one,
right.
burger.
So what are you gonna say to everyone?